in TV land. There he is. Okay, so this is lesson 57, number 18. And this is one of those ones where it says solve given that theta is in between 0 and 360 degrees. So these are those ones. I see that there's a 3 in my argument. So it's going to be one of those ones where we're kind of going around the unit circle and getting probably several answers for this. So I think what I would do first is, I cannot divide out that 3. Don't do it. The author of the book will get super angry with you. But you can divide both sides by 2. And then that would give you cosine 3 theta equals a half. And then you can get the 3 theta by itself by like your inverse cosining both sides. So I can show that. It looks kind of weird to show it. But those just go away. And 3 theta ends up being, what is the angle where cosine is a half? So, oh, is it 60? Okay. And 3 theta equals 300. Okay, so you got that either by looking at your unit circle, or you did some triangles, or you have it memorized. So there they are. So that means I can divide by 3, and I have theta is equal to 20. And over here I'd have theta is equal to, well, why did I do that? It's equal to 100, okay? There. So I have theta is 20 degrees, theta is 100 degrees. But I can keep going, and I think I'm going to keep these separated like this. I can keep going around and around the unit circle, you know, because if the first time if I went around, it helps when I show a unit circle. I know I have one right here. And so there's our half, that cosine half was 60, like he said. I'm just checking, even though I believed him. And then here was the other one, 300 down here. So the first time we went around, it landed at 60. But then if I think I have room to go around again. So if I went around another time, that'd be 360 plus 60. What's 360 plus 60? 360 plus 60. That's 420. So by taking my 60 that I got right here and adding 360, then that gives me 3 theta equals 420. Divide by 3, divide by 3. Theta equals 420 divided by 3. 140. Now I'm just going to keep working on this side until I can't go anymore. Okay? So once around, to get to this spot right here, once around, well, the first time I got 360, and then I went all the way around. That's 360 plus 60. We already did that one. That was 420. Twice around would be 60. Well, basically it'd be add 360 to the 420 that I just had. So 420 plus 360. Well, that gives me 780. So now I have 3 theta equals 780. Divide by 3. And that gives me 260. Are you guys getting any of these same numbers, or did I? Yeah. Okay, so now I see it. I can keep, I guess I'll try again. 780 plus 360. 780 plus 360. Well, that gives me 1140. So 3 theta divide by 3. That gives me 3. Oh, that's too big. 380 is too big. So I don't see when I did 1140. So I got these 3 answers for this side, and then I'm going to do the same thing here. The first time that I went around, I landed at 300, but then I can go again. I'll go 300 plus 360. I think that's 660. And then divide by 3, and is that 330? 220. Or sorry, 220. Okay. And then I can go again, like there's my 660. Oh, okay, so there is is there always going to be a pattern?
There was a pattern last time we did one of these.
Well, so you could just count well, what was it, like add 120 or something?
Yeah.
Okay, so on this one, we added 120. So can we just add 120 to 220? But it'll be different for each problem, I think. Like for yeah. Okay, so 220 plus 120, and then we got 340. Yeah, and then we probably can't do it again, right? Because if we add, it would be too big. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 answers. Let me check and see if that's good. That's number 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 answers. And so you can list those. A nice way to list them would to make them be in order.
I think I said it works. The 3 for the theta. And the 120 degrees.
Oh, wait. The 3 and the 1. Where'd the 1? What? Wait. Let me. It's okay. Whoever wants to watch this can listen. Where'd the 120 come from?
120.
Oh, you mean just the pattern? And so how does the 3 influence that?
Pi divided by 3, right?
Oh.
Pi divided by 3 in radians.
Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, you're welcome.
In degrees, right?
Wait, 360 divided by 3. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
360 divided by 3. So that actually kind of makes sense. So maybe we don't have to keep going around and around. We'll check that on our next problem. That's like this, and so it'll be different. Like so, if it's 3 theta, it'll always be 120, and if it's 4 theta, it'd be what 90 or.
Well, that's the hypothesis.
Hypothesis, yeah, that we can check now. So that's good. Okay, so there's 20, there's 100, there's 140. I'm just writing these in order. They're nothing different about it. 220, 260, and 340. Is that all of them? We got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just because they list them like that in the answer key. Okay, there was that one.